So welcome to PV Tech, and in this video I'm going to show how you can actually scan for digital channels on your Superbox decoder in Ghana. So if you are living in Ghana and you want to scan for the digital channels on your Superbox decoder, the first thing that you have to do is to connect the cable from your antenna. You mount the antenna, connect a cable from it onto the ANT import at the back of your Superbox decoder. So at the back of the Superbox decoder, I have two different ports that will be receiving the signal. We have the LMB port for the satellite signal, that's your satellite dish or the multi-TV signal, and the ANT for the digital or the antenna cable. So you insert the cable in the ANT port, and then you pick up your remote to move on with your installation. So all you got to do is to press on the menu button on the remote, and then use the arrow keys just to navigate through the menu, and then you put it on installation and you press OK on the installation. So from the installation page, or for you to get access to the installation page, you need to press on the 0 button 4 times, 000, for it to open up. If no one have ever changed the password on your decoder, it's supposed to be 40, so you type in 4 zeros. And on the installation page over here, you have the installation type, antenna settings, satellite list. All the settings here are for the satellite settings or your multi-TV channel settings. So you need to come to the first option, you press OK on it, that's the installation type, and then you change it from the S2, which is the satellite settings or the satellite second generation, to T2, that's terrestrial second generation. That's where you're going to use it to track or scan for your digital channels. So here on this page, you have the auto search, manual search, country list, and then the antenna option over there. So if you know a particular frequency whereby you are trying to scan to get a stable channels or a stable signal, all you have to do is to come to the manual search. Let's say you know the GTV Sports Plus, the air frequency is on the channel 22, which is 482.000. This the GTV Sports Plus, they are quality or the exact frequency, so you can place it on it, and then you turn the antenna around, monitoring to get a stable signal on it. But since you are trying to get FTA digital channels across Ghana and then anywhere closer, all you have to do is to perform an auto search. So with the auto search, whether you have a signal on the antenna or you don't have a signal on the antenna, you need to perform auto search, and then after performing, if you don't get any channels at all, you turn the antenna to fix a different direction, and then you perform the auto search once again. All right, so you come to the country list over here. There is no Ghana country list over there, but every country folder over here have a pre-installed frequency whereby you are likely to get those channels having a stable signal on your antenna. So you select the UK country folder or the France, which it's the good one out of this country folders over here. You can select a different country as well. So you select the UK country folder. The most important thing will be you having a stable signal from the antenna, and then you connecting the antenna cables very well, because that will be the most important thing. You might have a signal from the antenna, but your cable connection it's not that well, so that might cause you to lose most of the signal. So make sure that the cable connection is well fixed. So you come to the auto search after selecting a particular country, and then you press yes to if you want to delete all the previous channels that is on your decoder, just to scan for the newer ones, and then you wait for it to complete scanning for you to get access to the channels that will be coming along after you are done with the scanning. So if after you perform the auto search, the channel that you got is not enough, maybe not what you expect to get, less than 50 channels. It's supposed to be more than 50 channels. If you get less than 50 channels, all you got to do is to position the antenna at a different angle, direct it towards a different angle, or you can raise it or bring it down just to perform the auto search and then check. So the auto search can be performed several times by placing the antenna at several position or direction, and then you proceed with the auto search just to know which position that will get you enough of the antenna signal. Since you don't have a tracker to be monitoring whenever you are trying to track for the antenna signal, that's what you're supposed to do, turning the antenna around wherever you get stable signal and you get enough of the channels available. Then you proceed by stabilizing the satellite or the antenna over there for your channels. So that's it. If this video has been helpful and you are new here, all you have to do is subscribe, you like the video, share on other platforms, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town.